Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily block someone on the Pinterest application. So in order to begin, I'll open the Pinterest application, and now to show you guys I'll click on any of these posts. So let's say I want to block this person. So what you can do to block him is click on his profile icon, and now you have to do this for any of the account you want to block, and then you have to click on these three dots right here. Now you have this option to block account. You have to click on block, and now you can see this warning message pops up. You can click on block again, and now you can see you have successfully blocked someone on your Pinterest account. So that's how you can easily block someone on your Pinterest account. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.